Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, if you are new to this channel and you know you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, actually, we did, last week we actually did analysis for this week. We want to know where our gold will be moving for this week. Guess what? We actually made the movement. We actually predicted that we'll be making a bullish move, which we actually did. So, if you are following me consistently, right, on Monday we actually predicted that our gold will give us a bearish move. You see it, we actually had that bearish move, right? On Tuesday, if you're following, you see we predicted that we'll be having a bullish move, which we did. Wednesday, we predicted we'll have a bullish move, which we did. Thursday, we also predicted a bullish move. Even Friday, so we also predicted that we'll make a bullish move. But guess what? Price kind of went up, then it kind of came down. So we are kind of having this pain bar, right? So about weekly also, we also predicted that this week we would actually close bullish. So if you take a look at the weekly time frame, you see that you actually close bullish. So we would want to take a look at what this price will be moving for this week. So the thing is that it will be very, very easy. I want you guys to actually follow me from the beginning to the end to be able to understand this analysis properly. And I'll tell you why I'll be taking such trade. So before you get started, do not forget to like, share, and also make your comments. If you've not subscribed, subscribe also. So I will start from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame, to be able to guide us why we'll be taking such trade this week. So we will start with the monthly time frame now. Take a look at this movement, guys. Sorry, right? You see that this movement, I think this movement started since 2015 on our gold, right? You can see this movement from 2015. You clearly can see that this is a bullish move, right? So we are going to analyze some key levels, right? And take a look at it. I've included this moving average, which is 10 period moving average. I love it. I love using it. It guides us on how to take this trade, just help us, right? So we all know the rules of trading this moving average, 10 period moving average. Once the price is above our moving average, then it is a buy. But if it is below it, we have to sell. So clearly, we can see that for sometimes if we be actually be going bullish, you see, 20, during the period of 2017, 18, 19, 20, even 20, it was around 2020, it started dropping. Then to early 2020, late 2022, or, we late 2021, sorry, we kind of had like this, started having this, bullish move. Early 2022, the price kind of, went up further, during the Russian Ukraine war. And ever since when it has gotten to its peak, it started dropping. So now let's highlight some levels here. You can see here, we will take this eyes on our monthly time frame. So that price came to this level, then it's dropped, right? We saw this level again, price came to this level again, it's dropped. So we would see that price came to tap this level multiple times, one at early 2020, the other one was early 2022. In the space of 2 years, price kind of, tap that level. They would analyze this level here. Reason is that you see that price has once reacted here, right? Which is going to, we are going to watch out for, guys. It will be very, very useful for us, especially when we are analyzing it on the daily time frame. Now notice that why I highlighted this level is that price has reacted to this level multiple times. We saw that price came to this level on gold, then a pullback was made before price went further up and broke this level. We saw that price reacted at this level one. We saw price again came to this level, react to this level, right? Then price went up. We saw price came to this same level again, dropped, went up, right? So if you notice that price actually broke below this level, and it's kind of giving us pullback, tapped the level and broke above it. So this price is kind of like important. This level that I just talked about is kind of important because if you sit on the daily time frame, price kind of give us a pullback on the daily time frame to test this same level before going up. So above all, if you notice that this price is kind of in a ranging, right? So price actually broke below it. Of course, we expect price to give us a pullback to test it. Not only does price give us a pullback to test, price actually have broken above it. So we are now at the top. So we would still want to see a further bullish move. So you will see in the month of this November, we've actually gone bullish, right? This is the month of November. Gold has given us a bullish move, right? The month is about to end. We have about 3 days, right? 28, 29, 30 before price, the month of November will be over. So then we would now enter the month of December, which I believe the month of December we would actually close bearish. Though I will tell you the reason why in our next week analysis. So that is why I said you should subscribe, like, and share. So I'm going to explain why we would be having a bearish move by the time December end. If you are following consistently, you will know reason. Though it will be more clear for you as we explain it further. I just don't want to explain it all because it will be more confusing. But little by little, we will be doing it weekly analysis. You will be able to understand it. So if you take a look at this movement, right, you see that this price has now broken above this support level, right? This previous support level, price broke below it, came back, gave us a pullback, test the support level. Now it has gone up. It is now above our support level. So we can clearly see that this is our monthly time frame. The month of November, we are on a bullish move. So if you take a look at this weekly time frame now, take a look at this weekly time frame. So you know the analysis that I told you guys are to be more clear, right? You can see that this price actually broke above it on the weekly time frame. Do you see it? Price broke above it, then price cannot give us a pullback to test the same level. So this is one of the reasons why I highlighted this level. So price reacted here, reacted here, reacted here. Once even price broke above it, of course, price came to test this level, give us a pullback to test this level. After it has tested this level, what do we expect next? We are expecting a bullish move. So that is why the reason why this week that just finished, we have we kind of had like a huge candlestick. No problem. There's no doubt about that. Huge candlestick week at the bottom, right? Then the price kind of closed bullish. Though is this bullish move over? Definitely not. This week that we are predicting, we would also open and close bullish. So be expecting a bullish move. There's a possibility that there will be a massive bullish move this week, which I strongly believe there will be strong bullish move this week. So now let's see it now. If you take a look at this movement from here, we saw that this price has been below the 10 period moving average. Those of you that trade this moving average, you all know once the price is below the moving average, then it is a sell. But once it is above it, it is a buy. So clearly, for some you see weeks, adding up to months, price has been below the 10 period moving average. One of the reasons why we actually sold this, we are selling. If we are following consistently, we saw that price actually dropped to the same level, more but triple times, failing to break the level. We saw price came to the same level, it failed to break it, then price push up, went up. We saw price drop to the same level, failed to break it, then price went up. We saw price came to the same level again. So price has reacted here 3 times, failing to break below it. Then price went up, right? About last 2 weeks, right, we predicted that price would give us a bearish move, which we actually did, serve as a pullback. The week that just finished, we predicted that we'll be going bullish, which we actually did, though it is not much though. We predicted that we will go bullish, right, on gold, which we actually did. We added the bullish move, though the bullish move was not much though. So this week that we are predicting for, I believe we would have a good and massive bullish move. At least we need to take out this ice, which I strongly believe. We saw this level here. We saw that price has given us to test this level. Now it is going bullish now. It is giving us a bullish move. The next level we would want price to get to is where price has reacted to previously. So if you are following this channel consistently, you will know I usually say it. Once price has reacted to a level previously, especially multiple times, and price is moving on to that level, price will definitely get to that level and react to it. So we saw that price has once reacted to this level. Once price gave us drop here, we saw a pullback, right? Meaning price reacted to this level. We saw that once price broke below it, we saw price went up, reacted to this level, right? Now you saw that once price actually went up again, we saw that price came to this level, react to this level by giving us a pullback, by dropping, right? Now we are expecting a continuous bullish move, which is to be made. So we will continue to move up. Let us see if we can tap this level again. So this week we'll be aiming or expecting to actually tap this level, right? So the next level we would want to see price get to is this level where price has reacted to previously. We saw price reacted here, we saw it reacted here twice, we saw it reacted here 3 times. So this week we should be able to see that bullish move that will be able to react to this level. So maybe if upper week or next 3 weeks or 4 weeks price breaks above it, then fine, there's no problem. If by upper 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or anyone price drops further down, then fine, no problem. But the goal now for this week is that we want to see this price go bullish, right, and take out this ice, which is a level of 17, or let us call it a level of 1800. So how we hit a level of 1800, let's just or close to that level of 1800. If in case gold does not get to 1800 this week, then it should be close to that level of 1800. I strongly believe price of gold will break above level of 1780. So we are currently trading at 1754 and something. Price will still move further though. So we still believe that gold will move further up, hit a level of 1780, even break above it and go close to a level of 1,800. If it does not hit 1,800, then at least price should be close to it. So now if you take a look at this movement also, you see we've been going bearish, right? Now this price is above our 10 period moving average. The moving average also is to guide us. We see that price is above our moving average. We say no doubt about that, that this is clearly a bullish move. So this week also, we would want to go bullish. We want to see gold close bullish this week. So that should take us to the daily time frame. Let's see what this daily time frame says. So take a look at this movement on daily time frame, guys. See it. Let me so I think this sorry, give me some minutes. So I want you guys to be able to understand this movement properly. So this is it now. So take a look at this gold right on the daily time frame. You would know that this is a bullish move. First of all, price is above this moving average. Then price kind of give us a pullback. So whatever though, it will break above it soon. So we saw that. Let's take the movement from here. This is an impulse move. Here comes the correction on gold, right? Here is another impulse move. Guess what we had next? A correction. And guess what again? An impulse move. Guess what again? After an impulse move, a correction. We saw that price has given us a correction. And what again do we expect after the correction? A bullish move. So this is why Tuesday we actually went bullish. Wednesday we went bullish. Thursday we actually went bullish. Even Friday, kind of like giving us like indecision. But by the time this week that we are predicting for, by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll continue to go bullish. Like I said, to be able to take out this ice, right? So we'd want to see gold take out this ice for this week, which I strongly believe will be able to take out this ice. This ice is currently trading at, this ice is around 1,787, right? I once said that at least gold should get to a level close to a level of 1,800. But if in case gold does not get to that level, at least we should get close to that level of 1,800, or you can aim at a level of this ice where it is, which is a level of 1,787, right? So above all, gold, we are expecting a bullish move. So this daily time frame is a bullish move. So you can, we might not see this bullish move. We might not start seeing that candle going green, 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 green like that. We might kind of see like a green, possibly, probably a red here. By next week when market opens, then we would see a green, a green, a green, right? That is what we want to see. The price might not give us a green, green, green further, but above all, the objective or the aim or the goals is to be able to take out this ice on our gold. So if you notice that this price is bullish, so if we were following channel discourse consistently, right, we told you that we are going to, during that Monday, right, when we were doing the analysis, I told you that we will still go bearish. Reason is that we are still on a pullback on that Monday, so we wanted to know if the retracement is over. So one of the reasons why we included this Fibonacci retracement tools, we saw that this Fibonacci retracement tool came to close to a level of 38.2, right? It came close to it, which came close to it. Then guess what? We now actually have that bullish move, which we once talked about. Now that price has given us a bullish move, then we saw a pullback that comes to this 23.6, which makes sense though. It makes sense. Now that a pullback has come, it's a 23.6. Guess what we'll be having next? Another bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why I said by Monday, once the market opens, we should continue to see a further bullish move on gold. So this gold above all, we are going bullish, and this week that we are predicting for, the gold should be able to break above this 10 period moving average. So gold, like I said, we are still going bullish. And one of the reasons why we actually add a retracement to this level is that price has once reacted to this level previously. I once talked about it, right? If you notice here, you see it here. You see it here. I think we just, I've recently talked about it. We saw that this price kind of tested this level previously, right? It kind of reacted to this level previously. So one of the reasons why price came to test this level. And secondly, we can see that price has once reacted to this level here. We saw a price came to react to this level. We saw price reacted to this level. We saw price reacted to this level. And I usually say that if price has reacted to a level previously multiple times and price is going to that level, right, price will definitely react at that same level. So we saw that this price was dropping. One of the reasons why I said we would very much likely have a reaction at this level. So we had a bearish move on Monday, which got to this level. Then Tuesday, we kind of had that reaction by giving us a bullish move, which we once talked about though. So this week, we'll be expecting a bullish move. So now let's see what this 4 hour time frame says. So we want to go bullish, right? So the 4 hour time frame actually says we are on a bullish move. So we would want to place this bullish, we want to place a buy. So I think this is a good opportunity to actually buy because a pullback has happened, right? Would anytime we want to go long, we would love for pullback to happen before we go long, right? So we can take a look at this highs impulse move on gold. Here comes the correction. Guess what? Since we are going bullish and the 4 hour time frame says bullish, right? It makes sense for us to actually now enter this trade, right? To go bullish. So by next week, right, we should be able to break this highs. Then possibly a pullback again should occur, right, on this gold. Then maybe again we can now enter to go long again. It just depends. You can enter to go long multiple places time. Maybe once the market opens on Monday, you can go long, or you can possibly wait for the market to push up further, then give us a retracement on the 4 hour time frame before you enter to go long again. So the how to place in this trade will be up to you though. So this gold, right, we are speculating a bullish move for the week.